which allow you to get different feels throughout the mattress. And ultimately what it does is, true to its name, it levels you out across the mattress. So this is the same type of effect that zoned coil systems provide by using lower gauge coils for more firmness, higher gauge coils for softer feel. They've mimicked that using foam. And so this white stripe that you see here is actually the firmest part of the mattress. And this is about where your mid to lower back is going to hit. Up here you have the softest part, and that's where your shoulders are going to sink in. So as you can see, you're kind of sinking in here. You come up onto this line and you notice that you're getting really good support. And then when you get down towards your hips, you have kind of split the difference between the two, more of a medium feel. So you're getting good pressure relief with your hips, good support with your lower back, and then great pressure relief for your shoulders. And that's really going to level you off, hence the name Level Sleep. Now this company has done studies that claim to improve sleep because of this design. Now ultimately everything kind of comes down to your feel and how you react to the mattress, but I will say that you know, on the whole, this is a great concept because each part of our body will need different levels of support. Now this mattress does come shipped in a box. It's roll packed just like any other mattress. It comes with a 365-night trial. So that means you can have it in your house for an entire year. If you don't like it, Level Sleep will come pick it up. Now this does retail at a little bit higher price point than most of the mattresses on the market. Right now, a queen retails for $14.99, but they do have a $200 discount, which brings it down to $12.99. And they also have financing available to make it more attainable. So I definitely recommend this mattress, especially for people that have gone through other foam mattresses, other maybe typical 3-layer of foam mattresses that don't have as complex of a design, and they're just not getting the right feel. It may be time to upgrade to a more complex construction like this that's going to address different parts of your body more specifically. So we'll show you what the inside looks like and how each of these layers react. We're going to take apart the mattress and show you that. So just head on to sleepsherpa.com for more information.